What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do this here. We're gonna install this guy and I'm gonna show you how. Okay, so this is the front of the car right there, and as I can see here, I'm also reading the manual. There is a part, two parts like this, and they go in here on the outside of the car, and this points down. The long one, let me show you the difference. There's a short and a long. So you see the long one and the other one is shorter. The shorter goes to the front and the other on the back. So I'm gonna show you in here. You're also gonna get a couple bolts like this here. It's it has a sort of a plate welded into a bolt. This goes in the hole. Of course, you gotta be careful not to drop in the hole because it's gonna be kind of tough to grab back. So let me put in good. All right, so in here you see those two big holes, a washer and a nut. You see here. So I'm gonna get the small one. I'm gonna put it in there, and let's do the first one. So the first one, we put this in there. Here's the way you wiggle a little, you get in there, and carefully hold it. I'm gonna just put this in here now so I can hold it in place. There you go. I just want to hold it in there. Let me put this other one here. We need a big washer, pressure washer, and a nut. So let's do it. Put it in there again. Tight. Put it in there. Washer. Man, it is cold, but it's impossible to work with the gloves. Alright. Washer, pressure washer, and nut. There you go. We're gonna do the same thing on the other one. Washer, pressure washer, and nut. There you go. And one thing that might help when you're doing this is holding the plate down. Might keep the bolts tight, otherwise you won't be able to torque. And let me see. There you go. This is how it looks like. This is the front of the truck. So we're going to do the same thing on the back. So now again, on the back of the truck, do this. Put this in there. Put the little thing. Oh, almost lost it. Oh, I lost it. Oh man. Alright. So I gotta ditch my washers and stuff I have. So again, one of those, and a nut. There you go. I'm gonna get this guy, so you wiggle inside like this, and put this in there. I gotta do by hand. Can't use a. There we go. I can't use the impact. So that's there. Now let me see if I can somehow show you. This is the back. This is the bushing, and this goes in here, in the bushing in here. So I need to take this bolt out of there and put a bolt out of here, because when you step, it's gonna push in there. Alright, so this bolt right here, we're gonna take it with a 18mm. There you go. And you see there's a plate in there. I'm not sure. I'm gonna keep that plate. I'm gonna add the new bolt and the new washer and the part, which is this here. So we're gonna do like this. Be sure. Let me show you. Here. Big bolt. A washer. Plate is there. Okay, I just hope it goes all the way to the end. Yeah, it does. I'm gonna loosen a little bit. Okay. Okay, there you go. And I'm gonna fix this guy right in here. So the longest bolt, it goes up there. I just put this little bracket on the back. As you see, I didn't put on the front yet. So you're gonna get here one big bolt. I think it's a 19mm pressure washer. Put in there, and on the front is supported by my gripper. And there you go. We're gonna do this here. Just gonna hold in place, because once they are both in there, it's gonna be easier a little bit. Wow. It's almost like it's getting crooked in there. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like that. Now we're gonna go to the front. I'm gonna do exactly the same thing. All right, big bolt, big washer right here. Nice. All right, there's a right way. There's a right one here. They got a line here and up there. And once this all align, we'll go start by hand. Yep. And now I'm gonna go with this in here. Just like this. Yep, it works. And I'm gonna tighten. Alright. And the big piece ready to roll in here. There you go. Much easier like that. Oh, you gotta be a different one, but I'm gonna tighten this top one. Gotta wear your protective goggles. Nice. Whoa. Nice and tight already. Oh, thank God I have rust inside my ear. But check it out. Let's see if I can show you inside. Look at this. One bolt in there, and those bolts in here. So I'm just gonna go to the back now. Under, I'm gonna tighten, and that's gonna be it. And that's it, guys. So this is how it looks like. My creeper's there too. I'm gonna do the other side now, but it looks pretty cool. Look at that. And best of all, it works. So now I can step on it and go up in the truck. Oh man, this truck is so high. Look at this. It's on my knees. This here is half of my thighs. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe. There's much more content coming. Truck is doing beep 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 and it's saying a message saying no bus. A bunch of people saying that problem is ground, throttle position, and I don't know. It's too cold outside. It's painful for me to be out there, so I'm being in and out as I can. I rather work in the garage, so that's why I've been working the BMW and the Mitsubishi Eclipse, which is right there. But yeah, appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.